Hey guys, today let's take a look at One UI 7 on the Galaxy A34 before its launch. Another yearly update for the Galaxy A34. Of course, now we'll be focusing on the new One UI 7. Not only the A34 will receive this update, but all these devices mentioned below. And some older devices like the Galaxy A73 will be privileged too to get this update. And not to worry about Samsung breaking its promise on the Galaxy A34, because according to the statement below, they still stand on their promise of 4 to 5 years of software and security updates. And seeing that One UI 7 on the A34 will be coming with a lot of refinements ever since One UI 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 didn't come with much improvements, but this is different in a very healthy manner. And assuming the update will be launched on the 20th till the month end of May 2025 for those concerned with the date. For those wondering what will be new or what is new on One UI 7 with the Galaxy A34. Firstly, a redesign to the icons. They now have more color and a lot of visual change. See below for visual demonstrations. And some changes to the task manager, including the control center, and some changes to the button layout for powering off the device. And of course, the UI feels more smoother to operate. And something worthy of mentioning is that, of course, after every update, the phone performs differently. And below I'll be showing you how the performance has changed over the course of each update or major update received. After One UI 6.1, the device was still on its peak performance and doing very well. And we get to look at it after the update of Circle to Search, and we get very different results. I have to say, things will be very different with One UI 7. Just keep that in mind. And so guys, we have to conclude. This update is great, and of course we'll get in depth with more videos to come because there's a lot to cover. But I'll have to give a worthy mention to these devices below, which will be getting their last major One UI update. Some of these devices I've personally held and used for some time, like the Galaxy A52, the Galaxy A04, the Galaxy A13, and more. And now guys, let's await Samsung to bring this great joy of great update to this device. And guys, as I said, One UI 7 is a pretty great update, but let's await Samsung. Till then, I'll be able to give a detailed tour, including some tips and tricks found not only on the update, but in device. But guys, that was it for me with One UI 7 on the Galaxy A34. Hoping you got a clue of where we're headed. And let me know your thoughts down below, and please consider subscribing to get the channel moving. Thank you for watching. See you next time.